Welcome back everyone, it's Brian again. In the last video we imported the keywords to Market Samurai. We then done the search on the various information we required. We then done the SEO competition and all the keywords, which is all these tabs along the top. So what we're now about to do is we're now about to use our spreadsheet, and we will just open this up just now. While that's opening, go back here. So what we want to do is we firstly want to export these keywords. Mine is defaulted to desktop, and I'd suggest that that's where you put it, and it's just simply called Lab Analysis CSV. Just simply hit save and that will take it to your desktop. Now I've already got one, so I'll click cancel. So what we now want to do is we want to go to that Lab Analysis spreadsheet, which is here. Extend column A so the keywords fit in. Simply click on the mouse and drag your mouse down till you come to the end of the keywords, and simply right click and copy. Open up our new spreadsheet and simply enter paste. That's our keywords now in. As you'll see, this has columns for keyword, lots of green, which I will explain as we're using it, the title, the description, the URL, header, as the page got less than 30 backlinks to it, the site PR, it's a PR 1, 2, 3, etc., Yahoo and Web 2.0 websites, pages and not websites, which is important for our ranking, exact searches that keyword actually generates each month, and we have another one for current position if you already hold a keyword and have a website bulk that you're trying to rank for, and notes. Notes you can use for entering details of Web 2 sites or any unusual activity you see. Maybe that there's lots of news websites on the front page for that keyword. That generally indicates that Google can't find good quality relevant information for that keyword, so it puts the news sites on the front page. So what we want to do now is the very first one we're going to look at is Black Labrador. So simply open Market Samurai and click on the tab Black Labrador. As we done the SEO competition in the last video, this should all be ready. Yep, that's all here. So the first thing we want to look at is the colours. Is there lots of green? Generally what I'll call amber. It may appear yellow to you, and red. So for this one I would say that it was medium. There's quite a lot of green here and here, still a lot here, and there's a fair bit here as well. So I would say this is a medium. So what we do is simply go back to the spreadsheet and we would type medium. And just simply I like to centre it. Now because it's medium, anything that's medium we put in a neutral colour. So what we're going to look for now is the title. Simply go back to the title and count how many websites are using the keyword in the title. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pop back the spreadsheet and simply enter 5. Now 5's, again, anything for number 5 is a neutral, so we would put neutral here. And now we want to look at the description. So the description has 1, 2, 3. So simply enter 3. again, center, it's just my preference, but because it's 3 and it's low, it's actually good, so we will put that in green. We'll now have a quick look at the URL, and the URL has 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop back to the spreadsheet and enter number 4. Again, I just center, but again it goes in green because that's less than 5 and it's good. Now we're going to look at the header. So the header is 1, 2, 3, 4 also. So again we enter number 4. And again green. Now we want to look at how many backlinks are pointing to that specific page on the website. So we go and we look at the backlinks to the page, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with less than 30 backlinks to the page. So we simply type 6. Now this is because it's 6, but it's 6 sites that's got less than 30 backlinks. We also say that it's green because this is a good sign. Had it been 5, it would be the medium colour, and anything below 5 would actually be red. So what we now do is look at the sites, the PR of the websites, which is this column here, and there is 2 sites only with PR 0. So again, pop back and we enter the number 2. Now that's not a good sign, so we would change that colour to red. We'd be hoping to find websites, more websites with PR 0. We now look at the Yahoo Web 2. So again, Market Samurai. As you can see, the very first site is a Wikipedia site. We have a YouTube. We have an eSign Articles. So there's 3, and we have a Tumblr. So that is 4 sites. And again, that's relatively good, so we would leave that at green. So now we want to look at the pages and not the websites, and basically what we mean by this is the website is, this is the website before the backstroke, and you can see that this is an extension, so it's another URL, so that's not 1, that's not 1, that's not 1, none is, there is actually 1 here which is actually the domain. So it's the main keyword in the domain. So in all the other sites it's actually pages within the site, so we only have 1. So back to the spreadsheet and we put 1. Again, this is very, very good. Now what we do is we'll need the exact searches, and simply hit the lab tab at the top. This will take you back to the keywords. You can cut and paste these in, export from the spreadsheet that we actually did. It's a bit quicker, but just for this example I'm actually showing you how to do it. So it's 12,100, so simply 12,100. If you had a keyword that we said before that you had already been trying to rank for, you would put its current position here so you can mark its progress, and you can add this notes. So you could say that the number 1 site was a Wikipedia to remember you, there was a YouTube site, Tumblr site, etc. in the front page, which is all good information moving forward to build the rankings to your website. And what we'll do is we simply go through every single keyword that we've selected and do exactly the same process for every one. In the next video we will look at the completed Excel spreadsheet, and we will then start to filter out our results into the keywords that we actually want to use. So I'll speak to you again in the next video. Thanks again. Bye bye.